Fantastic, great, really good. And it's great these London shows come to Cardiff.
But it was just this sort of feel-good energy.
Singing's fantastic. Scene changing is marvellous.
Oh, the music's very good as well. I've always loved ABBA, so yeah, it's really good to sing along.
I've seen it 3 times, all of it, to such a feel-good factor. I want to go home and put my flares on.
Oedd y sioe'n wych, oedd yr actio'n wych, canu'n wych, dansio'n wych, oedd y cast yn anhygoel, o'n i gyd lan ar un trad ar y diwedd yn canu gyda nhw.
Everybody on stage just seems like they're having a really good time, and that really translates to the audience.
The male dancers.
Always helps.
And then the finale was brilliant, you know, the connection with the audience.
I think it appeals to everybody, I really do.
Definitely come and see it because it's a different experience, so 100% recommend it.
It was awesome.
I think it's happy, bright, cheerful.
5 stars, 10 out of 10.
Hwyl.
Arbennig.
Awesome, funny, and fantastic.
Go and see it.
Yeah.
Have it on prescription.
Yeah.